The Satir UAV 640p is Satir's first thermal imaging drone. The drone is designed for the professional market. The drone itself is manufactured by DJI, who are the world leaders in drone technology. The thermal core payload weight is 2.34 kilograms with the standard battery and 1.61 kilograms with the optional battery. The maximum flight time with a standard battery with a takeoff weight of 6.14 kilograms is 13 minutes. The flight time can be increased to 24 minutes with the option of higher capacity batteries. The drone also has safety sensors built within the frame. The thermal imaging core has a 640 by 480 IR detector which delivers full radiometric images and video recording, giving a field of view of 12 degrees by 9 degrees. The thermal core comes with a telephoto lens, meaning it gives detailed close-up images from a safe distance. It has a GPS tracking function, which is useful for post-survey analysis and reporting. Security and surveillance. Electrical and power surveying. Search and rescue. Satir is always using new technologies to develop its thermal imaging products. With the Satir UAV 640p, Satir is continuing to lead the way in thermal imaging.